Hey, gefeliciteerd met je audioboek. Congratulations with your audiobook. You can download it below this video, both for Nieuw in Rotterdam and Nieuw in Antwerpen. My name is Max, I'm the writer of this book, and I just wanted to quickly let you know that it's not only a book that you can read and that you can listen to, but you can also follow conversation classes. You can join our book club where you speak about the book and make sure that you practice what you've read, so you can start speaking Dutch naturally from day number one, right? But also you can get my advice and my tips in your email box if you want. So if you want one of those things, then give me your email below. I make sure that you get the best tips, the best advice, the best offers for my courses. And yeah, let's get you start speaking Dutch. Let's start getting you speaking Dutch naturally as soon as possible, okay? And therefore, I wanted to give you one quick comment about the natural method. As you've read maybe already in the introduction of the book, this is all about speaking Dutch the natural way. It means no grammar, it means no stupid word lists that you need to study or things like that, no exercises, okay? It just means that you read and listen to a very interesting story that I worked on for about 2 years, and that you do stuff with the story. So you can speak to your friends about it, you can write about it, you can speak to ChatGPT about it, you can follow my conversation classes and speak about it. Or whatever you do, make sure that you activate your knowledge, right? And all of this is going to be 100% in Dutch. And that's why it's called a natural method, because it has no grammar and has no English. When you really do need to check a word or two words, you can use a separate word list that you've received with the physical book. And of course, that's okay. But in general, I would like to really let you know that the idea is not, okay, so please don't study any of the grammar, don't make flashcards, don't do Duolingo or anything like that. Make sure that you study Dutch the natural way, which is with interesting content, and then making that content more complicated. So you start with my book, which is the easiest book that exists. That book slowly gets more complicated, and after that you go find a new book. Or a new podcast or new videos. Now, if you want to know which kind of videos and stuff, then definitely give me your email. I will let you know all of those things in various emails, right? I've helped hundreds of people by now, and I want to make sure that all expats in the Netherlands and also in Belgium start learning Dutch the natural way. I know that it works because I've learned also Spanish, German, French with this natural method, and I'm now learning Persian. So if you want to learn more about that as well, also give me your email. And good luck to you, my friend. Gefeliciteerd met je audiobook and see you soon.